Today we're going to show you how to make some gravestones. This week we've been reviewing or looking at the Spooky VIP add-on pack. If you haven't seen those builds, definitely go to our homepage and check that out. But we have a few gravestones we're going to show you how to make today. Here's what we're featuring. We featured a few of the pieces from this pack on here, and we'll show you later how you can sprinkle those in on each one of these builds. We'll show you each one of these gravestones individually. Really need a few flat base pieces and flat plates, things like that work really well, but we sprinkled on some flowers on the gravestones and we'll show you how to bring this to life. So we're going to break down for you now how some of these gravestones are made. Really you need some flat plates and slope pieces can help you make some simple ones. So you'll see here we just use some flat plates, 2x2, 3x2 there, then a 1x2 on the back here. Pretty simple for that one. This one here, and we'll just move up in size, but if you have one of these round slope pieces, I think is what they're called, you can use those. You can even use the full-size bricks. So we did a similar type of thing here. And then I like the brick shape pieces, as you'll see, and then as mentioned, the slope pieces seem to work really well, especially the 1x1 thin slope pieces. Couple more versions here with the bricks, and then if you really want to get fancy, you can put a flower in. So it's good to have these pegged pieces. Grays seem to work really well. Here's another one, looks kind of cool. So if you have some of these sloped pieces, you can do a lot of different things here. There's the back of that. So these work really well, look kind of medieval-esque. I'm not sure what this piece is called here, but if you have any of those, that can work well. You can put an interesting spin by using the 1x1 and then just spinning it 45 degrees. So here we have a slope brick and then a bunch of these brick shapes. Then we use the bat from the VIP Spooky add-on. Put some flowers on. This one's a little bit more complicated. You can see in the back, so we have a full 2x4 brick there, 1x4 up here, some brick pieces. This is meant to look like a cross or some kind of design pieces. We have the slopes there leading up to the bat, so that's that one there. Another option, so you can offset the bricks. We're kind of low on those types of bricks, but there's a few options, and then put a different color flower. For all the flowers, we just try to put an array of different colors in here. So we'll show you in a second though, how you can dress it up with putting pumpkins in. Last few here, this one's pretty simple in design, but just tried to vary the design overall. Made a little cross piece. You can put whatever you want here, like a round piece. Oops. You can put whatever you want there. There's another one, a couple cross pieces. See how that's done. Put the full-size flowers there, so doubled up on those. So here's the lamp. Oh, that was made. So one of those. Not familiar with the names of all these pieces, but put the bat on the top. I didn't have enough pieces, but if I could, I'd make 2 of those, put them out here, because that would be nice. Then the last piece I want to feature is probably the one I'm most proud of. So the frog from the Spooky VIP was added on here. Some plant life on the 2 sides. This piece here is actually meant to allow a skeleton to go inside. So you can see here. And then I have a 1x1 round peg, or I'm not sure what they're called, but make it look like the skeleton's coming out. And then if you have the Spooky VIP add-on, you go even further to make it look like a witch skeleton is coming on there. We used one of the wands from our Harry Potter set. They come in a few different forms to make it look like they're casting a spell and the skeleton's coming out. So that's all those. So here's that final build with the VIP spooky add-on pack added. You can see we've added in the pumpkins and little lost lantern. Skeletons back here. We have a spiderweb now added with its spider friend over here on the floor somewhere. There it is. We have the pumpkins added. Now, back here we've already pointed out the parts that are on the graves. And then mostly we've added in these little electric pieces to make it look like the skeletons come to life and the spell has worked. The witch skeleton has put in there. So hopefully some cool ideas for you guys with the new graves. Spice up your set for the Halloween. We're going to keep featuring Halloween content all month long, so stay tuned. Please subscribe. We're still on our mission to 1,000 subscribers, so we appreciate everyone who has subscribed so far. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.